Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Adobe Express account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type adobe.com and press enter to go to the official Adobe website. On the Adobe homepage, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click Sign In to open the login page. If you are taken to a general Adobe sign-in page, that is normal for Adobe Express too. Click inside the email address field. Type the email address you used when creating your Adobe account. Click Continue to move to the next step. Now click inside the password field. Type your Adobe account password carefully, paying attention to capital letters. If you want to check what you typed, use the eye icon to show the password if available. Click Sign In to access your account. If Adobe asks for verification, open your email or phone messages to find the security code. Enter the verification code on the screen and submit it to continue. After signing in, open a new tab and type Express, Adobe.com to go directly to Adobe Express. If you already see your profile icon or initials, it means you are signed in successfully. If you are not signed in, click Sign In on the Adobe Express page again. Choose the correct sign-in method, such as Continue with Google, Apple, Facebook, or email. Select the same method you originally used to create the account to avoid creating a new profile. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email address and follow the reset link Adobe sends to you. Create a new password, then return to Adobe Express and sign in with the new password. If you are on a shared computer, avoid checking the Stay Signed In option for security. If the page is stuck loading, refresh the page once and try again. If it still does not work, clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser. Make sure any ad blocker or VPN is not blocking Adobe login pages, and try again. Once inside Adobe Express, you can start creating designs from the home screen immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.